R, R is for rocket. Rocket.
Oh, this one is taking off.
Yeah, that looks like the space shuttle.
Wow, it's going into space. Oh, that one came out of the water.
Yeah, it came from a submarine.
Oh look, here's a man inside the rocket.
Yeah, he's in space now though, looks like. He's an astronaut. That's what they call somebody who goes to space, an astronaut.
Oh.
There's the space shuttle already in space. That's the Earth down there. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
That looks like a capsule from a rocket coming back to Earth. When they go through the atmosphere, it's very hot.
And what's that?
That's the space shuttle landing.
Yeah.
And come back from space.
Oh, what's that?
It's the parachute that slows it down.
R is for rocket. Rocket.
R is for rabbit. Rabbit.
Oh, they came out of the hole.
Rabbits live in burrows. That's why they came out of the hole. Those are burrows. Oh, what's this rabbit doing?
Eating a carrot.
Do rabbits like carrots?
Yeah. It's very cute.
This is the Easter Bunny.
R is for rabbit. Rabbit.
R is for road roller. Road roller.
Oh look, here's a rounder.
Yeah, that's working at night time.
It's a battery front rounder.
Well, they go both ways, don't they? See, construction workers, when they're building roads, they often work at night when there isn't much traffic. See, that road roller went forward and then it went backward. See how hot the tarmac column is? The asphalt? It's got to be hot and soft for the road roller to squish it down. Look.
Wow, here's rounders at the construction site.
Yeah, they're making the whole area flat for foundations.
So many rounders on the bridge. Oh, what's that, man? That's a handheld rounder.
It looks like it's preparing a road. That's the base for the road. They have to make that flat first before they put the asphalt on.
R is for rounder. Rounder.
R is for raspberry. Raspberry.
Wow.
Do you like raspberries? These raspberries grow on bushes.
He's picking raspberries from a bush.
This is what you can make with raspberries.
Ooh.
What is it?
Blender. Smoothie.
Smoothie?
Raspberry smoothie. R is for raspberry. Raspberry.